If you want to make your calls stand out, here's how to personalize your contact poster on iPhone. First, open the Phone or Contacts app, then tap on your name at the top. After that, tap Contact Photo and Poster, then tap on Edit. Now choose how you want your poster to look. You can use a photo, memoji, monogram, or even take a selfie right there. And after choosing a style, you can customize the font, the color, and background. Pinch to zoom or move your photo to get it just right. And when you're happy with it, tap on Done. Then choose whether to share your name and photo automatically with your contacts. And that's all. Whenever you call someone, your contact poster will show up, giving your calls a personalized and stylish touch. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.